we get rich, rich, rich money no like how we want the factory. What me say? Rich, rich, money. No like leaf and tree. I beg you stay far out of them way. Cause me know them off of me. Once me go in the cemetery, that them not go say. I beg you stay far out of them way. Cause me know them off of me. One mix me in a them pass a thing like see them problem of me. Me flask me one flask, full me one glass. Me and me own done. Me no take press for the doors, me no close. Me and me own man.
We no want no friend from them. We no want no friend from them. I'm pussy them.
Yo, live and direct right here, so you know. The purple and white affair, Hype Squad thing, J Nice right front and center. Dancehall in the Midwest, it turn up tonight, turn up for real. Watch out. I got to interview some youth here. Yo, let's talk to some people and find out what's going on here tonight because it's a very big affair. This is one of the quintessential dancehall events in all of Chicago. Whole heap of people there still, so. All right, babes, come let me talk now. What is your name?
Crystal.
And where are you from?
Evanston.
Evanston, okay. What country are you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica? Okay, what do you think about the dancehall scene in Chicago?
It's okay.
It's okay?
It could be better.
What would make it better?
You know what? Promoters coming together and just being one. That's it.
So wait, she said like promoters coming together. So it seems like you're saying
come out to support everybody, but that's
it seems like you're implying that the promoters here don't support each other.
they do, but they don't.
All right, it's a very big statement. That's a very big statement.
Ready right now. All the sexy ass outside ladies right now. Ladies, are you ready right now? Chica. Hey. I want to see all my weed smokers right now. Don't at all. What's a girl? What's a girl? Body basic. What's a girl? Move around. Skip to my loop, girl. Skip to my loop. Zone this skip, girl. Zone this skip. Head back.
Yeah, respect, guy.
Listen, look.
Name?
Danny.
Which country representing? Yardman.
Yeah, man, Jamaica straight, you see it. No argument, no night.
So, how do you rate the dancehall scene in Chicago?
Well, the dancehall scene I go on, I'm not telling you, like, kind of slow still, but you don't know, you still have to make it work.
What will make it turn up more?
You don't know the girls, them, you know. The girls, them, we say, you know, we don't represent for the ladies, them, you see it. So, for the ladies, them, did it, we have to out them.
If you had to pick a sound in Chicago that represent the artists, who would you say?
Represent that sound.
Yeah, which sound you rate?
Why? I'm not telling you, like, no, one blood me get, you know.
Ringo them fatal.
Yeah, man, Ringo fatal, no argument, no night.
How you feel about the Hype Squad?
Big up the Angelo King.
The Angelo Kingdom, in there?
Yeah, man.
All right. And represent for purple and white tonight. What do you think about the thing?
Yeah, the purple and white done shot already, you know. From the flyer touch you already done shot, because you don't know how the youth them thing. Hype Squad, you know, and the youth them a do them thing. Right now, them a lead.
Yeah, Hype Squad lead something, you know. Him say it right here, so. We're here, purple and white affair. It a go on still. Party shot already. J Nice front and center. Done.
He's a Candiva, Jeanette. Crystal, everything all right.
Blow money, 50 when I'm shopping. That ain't no money. I got my jeans sagging, money stuffed in them. I got 40 whips, way too much in them. I need me a queen. I need me a
fearless in the building.
Living this.
Hype Squad on the thing look. It's a good look, man. The people are rolling. One today. Hey. Who ready then?
Push harder, you're almost there now. So go lover, make mama proud.
Chicago ready? My friend, Lord is my friend. Nah, Paul, watch it on. Nah, salute my friend. Nah, God is my friend. Be a blessing, me send you. Please, your guide them. People, you mess. What? Hey! From a girl them.
Sometimes I wonder how they make it true. To this world would have a new.
Innocent I play when I play a man song, you see it? What?
And sometimes it seems that this world closing ahead of me.
All the girls who can smile.
Breaking free.
Cause some girl can't smile, them teeth hugging up blood clots. What?
Sometimes I want to give.
All the girls who know say the heart for look for the man can look on your door crash.
And then I see
every girl start smile out.
and everything's alright. And everything's alright. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh.
All the girls who know your wifey, when the wife material them there. What? All them attack y'all make them fret. Now you don't know you want your man darling. You are in life. I'm squad family. What?
Get a youth to get rich, rich, rich. Money no like how we want the factory. Let me say, rich, rich, rich. Money no like leaf and shit. I beg you stay far out of them way. Cause you know them off of me. Once me go in the cemetery, that them not go say. I beg you stay far out of them way. Cause you know them off of me. One mix me in a them passa thing like see them problem of me. Me class me one class, full me one glass. Me and me own man. Me not take press for the doors, me not close. Me and me own man. All one of me alone pass the black chop blast. The girl them no see me so long. Pop up tick like say Italy. Wait, Hulk Hogan. So me not.
I feel free. I roll with my niggas and we just bought the bar. I feel free. So you looking at me.
I'm squad. Bob Buckler. Pussy them a breathe. All who know say you and your friend them alright. All who spend them more money, we are getting out here. Check, 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 check.
I feel free. I roll with my niggas and we just bought the bar. I feel free. So you looking at me cause you know I'm a star. I feel free.
Your pussy good, girl. So me have to say, hello, me girl, hello, me girl, hello, me girl. No. Yo, hey, girl, me have something me want to say. Me want to touch up on that pussy, girl. Your pussy good, girl.
I'm squad. Well, they can't pay me for that juggling there, you know.
Oh, me girl, hello.
Well, they can't pay me for that juggling there, you know.
Yo, hey, girl, me have something me want to say. Me want to touch up on that.
Me tell the girl them, we no best friend. Tell them say friend fuck friend. She say, in the rain from a message me a send. Mark up our book with my pen. He say, if I the girl them, send all of them. Cocky force and then all of them. 10 out of 10 cents, sees it and render them. She bring the blessing.
Team say party up, like Hulk up. Party up, like Hulk up. Me jeans them up, raving belly we vibe down up. Say party shot, like YM16. Them call me the raving king. Touch a small girl up, show me love. And I tell me my sweet like for Jim. Say party hot, like YSCD. Girl them a wipe on me. And we have this.
I don't say party, make we roll out, yo. Guess what?
Party me say, drink and feel happy.
What are not?
Me no care when nobody say. Me come here so fi enjoy me say.
No, that she gonna count money.
Y'all them a talk about me. Right now me name stink and roll, but me name not call for pussy sucking and me name not call for body fucking. Y'all them a we say gyal, we say gyal, and we say gyal, we say gyal.
No squad. So from the party we say the girl them there, no.
The gyal them a talk about me. Right now me name stink and roll, but me name not call for pussy sucking and me name not call for body fucking. The gyal them a talk about me. Reputation stink a road.
No, I'm big up all of my Belizean thugs in the building. Big up my Belizean girl them anywhere. Ready then. Alright, flex it. Rock it on. Rock now. Rock it up, 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 rock it up. No, flex it. Rock it, 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 rock it. Hey, just tell me what you want.
The girl them a star boy. You know see me the girl them a part. The girl them want me a star. My you just
Marissa, them say 5 minutes. We don't have much time. What the girl said there? We ready now, everybody.
the girl them a star boy. But me not star the blue movie.